Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to talk about a thing which has been creating a buzz in tech world recently. As a content creator or you are in a content creating field, you must have heard about it, a powerful AI that is ChatGPT. I'm firstly going to give you a brief introduction that what is ChatGPT basically, and then we will move to my laptop screen and I will show you how it really works and how it can help you and how fun it is to using ChatGPT in your free time or creating something. So one of the most important use case of ChatGPT is content creation. ChatGPT can give you different new video ideas, new descriptions, summarization, text translation, or text summarization, script for your videos, or you can get some other sources and informations, or if you want an article on particular thing or you want to know something, rather than googling it, rather than go on Google and search about it and get bit of informations from here and there, you can get a whole article or whole information about a thing which you are searching for. So now we are on my laptop screen and I'm going to show you how you can use it and how you can get things done here, right? First you have to open your browser, any browser you are using. I'm using Safari, so here I have to type OpenAI, or I have to type chat one second, chat GPT. यहाँ पे this thing is showing chat.openai.com, so we have to click here and it is now open. So let me search for something, right? Like I want information on let's say BTech. So I want an article, or I want information what is BTech course. This is about, right? So it started generating text, right? You can see here. I can click on stop generating if I want to stop it, or let's say how it can help us to create content, right? So let's say I want a description for my video, this video only. So I can write here, please give me a description for my YouTube video on a topic what is chat GPT, right? And it will start giving me a very good description about the topic I wanted, right? So here you can see things are started, and I can just copy it from here, like let it yeah. So I can just copy it and paste it anywhere I want, right? I want to paste it in my notes, then I can paste it here, right? So it's so easy. If I want new ideas, right, give me some new video ideas for my finance advisor YouTube channel. Let's enter. See, it's taking a lot of time. No. Top 10 investment mistakes to avoid. The first video I can make. Second topic is how to create a retirement plan. Third topic is the importance of diversification in investing. So this is how this whole OpenAI source works. You can ask this AI anything and it will start generating text for you. So here are some great tips which will make your journey smooth with ChatGPT, right? Number one is be specific with your prompt. The thing which you are searching for, make it more specific that you can get exact what you want, right? And number second is experiment with different prompts. You can search different terms if you are not getting exact thing what you are searching for. So you can change the keywords and search for different prompts and get the exact thing what you want to generate. Third is edit and refine the text. Sometimes it's, as it is a tool, it is not perfect and you need to edit according to you, and if there are some mistakes you have to rectify it or correct it. So please use it and read what it generated. Don't rely completely on it, and correct it if there are any mistakes, or add something if you want to add, for if you want to add something on your text or on your description or on your idea, on your script, on anything, right? Number 4 is very important, like that it is a tool. Use it as a tool, not a replacement of human creativity, right? You should be aware of that it is just a tool which can generate new ideas, script, description and things for you, but don't rely completely on it. You have your own brain, own creativity, human creativity you have. So rely more on that, and it will just make your work easy, or it will just help you to do things better, or in faster manner. So don't rely completely on it. Focus on your creativity too. Rely on your human creativity. That is much good thing you can do with this chat gpt thing, right? So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel, and please hit the bell, and if you like the video, please hit the like button. Comment the queries you have or the topics on which you want me to make a video for you, clearing your topics, or you can comment down your opinions or doubts. I will be hearing it. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it interesting and informative. If you like, please subscribe and like to this video. So see you soon. Thank you for watching. Take care, guys.